Hi, welcome back. Dr. Joe here. Very excited about my new intro. I want to thank Jack Gardner who set it up. It's really nice because this is Adventures with Dr. Joe. I built this Rubo bench a number of years ago and it's been really fantastic. But I wanted to have a better place to sit at the right level. I used Benchcrafted vices for both of my vices, and their machinery, their quality is absolutely top of the line. So I purchased this Benchcrafted swing away seat, which is two castings, a platform here and a swinging arm here. And then I cut this piece of spalted maple on the Delta circle saw jig, and then I chucked it up into my lathe and I created this nice contour with a bowl gauge and a scraper, and then I sanded it, and I have a couple coats of this high gloss polyurethane, and it should be really nice. I think this will last a long time. But I've got to determine the correct height because I want to be very comfortable when I'm sitting here either mortising, using the chisel, doing other things. And it's a great place because I can chop directly over this strong support leg. So basically it's like chopping with support all the way to the concrete floor. So let's take a look at some different heights. So to properly mount the seat, we need to know where the exact center is. So I'm going to mark the three holes without moving. Then from this, we'll mark the center of my seat, which I have here, and get our do our pilot holes for the screws here. Okay, we want to mount the seat blank in the very center of this. It just has 3 holes, so we have to figure out how best to do that. So we'll hold this down on this piece of paper and mark the 3 holes. Then we'll use this, which is called fast cap. Basically use it as a compass. And right here in the center of those is going to be the very center of the wood. We can try it again by making shorter radiuses. There it is, right there in the middle, right there. So that's the very center. And so I'll put that on the center because I have that center marked. The center is right here. And then we'll drill our 3 holes, pilot holes, to fit these screws, and we'll mount up the seat to this this casting. So we've got this angle, or this bracket, such that it's about 20 inches. The seat will be about 20 inches off the ground. I've got this test seat that I did at 20 inches to check it on the bench. It seems really good. So I'm going to drill this hole, this first hole, get the bolt in there. We've got a nice big lag bolt, and we're to use this brad point bit, which is a good diameter to get a start, and we'll drive this in. This will be very secure, very sturdy. Okay, we've got the space marked for that. And we're going to use this brad point. And put that bolt in. I loosen the chuck and advance the bit a bit further. I want to drill it a little deeper. That's to accommodate these 4-inch bolts. So to get the proper depth of the bolt, I used a long drill bit, and you can see I marked the depth gauge. drilled it. And now I also checked the amount that was hanging out of the bolt shank itself here, and we're going to drill that with a 3/8 inch, over drill that a little bit so it fits in there easily, but only for about 1/2 inch. All right, that's ready to go. So we'll put that in. Then once the first one's in, we'll have the hole identified for the second bolt. And I waxed this so it's helping. And I wanted to put the bracket close to the edge so I'd be a little further out from the bench, a little bit further away. And I think that's going to be a benefit. So there's the first one. We'll drill the second hole and then we'll mount the bench. Wax up the threads a little bit. Okay, we'll try to mount this. There it is. Let's try it out. Oh, there we go. Cool, let's get another view. So here it is, the stool tucked away, out of sight. Then when I need it, bring it around, right here at my bench. All the things I need here to work with. This should be good. This turned out well. It sits nicely. So, again, Benchcrafted is a great company. They're from Iowa, and they do a fantastic job. The quality of their products is absolutely top of the line. I have to the 2 vices on my Rubo bench were built by them, and I also have a Moxon vise that I'm getting ready to build. But this is the swing away seat, which works really well on the bench. So thank you for watching. Consider commenting. Stay safe.